Jewish people are believers in God. When God sent us in exile, we're staying in exile. He was warning us not to go out of exile before the coming of Messiah.
Is this a mainstream belief?
Yes. And he was warning us with 3 oaths. Now, going out of exile is a rebellion against Almighty. It's simple. Like if you have a child, he's bad. You told him, stand in the corner for 10 minutes. He coming out. What means that?
He's rebellious.
Couldn't care less about your punishment. I do whatever I want. The same thing. If God sent us in exile, we're going out, means rebellion against God. Believers in God cannot do such a thing. We know it's very comfortable to have your own country. But we are believers in God, and we accept everything what God do. The Zionist people are atheists. So they say, how long we will stay in exile? Why? There's no reason for that. They don't believe that God exiled them. We have to organize ourselves. We have to take the land over.
Yes.
So it's very simple that you can understand that Zionism is built up on atheism, of mistrusting God, not trusting God. Judaism is built up of trusting in God. Anyway, he runs with that. Yes, we believe in God every way. Our mind is very, very small. God's mind is very big. There's no end to that. Everything what God do, even the Holocaust, it was for us. It was a big operation. We don't know why. We don't know what the outcome of that is. However, God knows. We are total believers, 100% on anyway. However, the Zionists are not believers, so they want to take the state. So you ask me, why? What's the difference between Jews and Zionists? Zionism is the total opposition from the Judaism, diametrically opposed of Judaism. Judaism is believing in God, and Zionism is mistrusting God. Zionism is against all the religions, against God, against everything. They don't believe in God, that's all. So this is very, very in the root, what we are separate from Zionism. And this, even the Zionists doing the land in a free land, doubles and triples the crime when they're doing that on the head of other people, taking away the land of other people by killing them, by robbing away the land of them. This, of course, makes the crime double and triple. In the Torah it's written, in the 10 Commandments, don't kill, don't steal. So this is really the difference between Zionism and Judaism.